and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football to which we look forward immensely. It's hardly a surprise that everybody has come here in their droves, this being a fixture that has received so much coverage in the days leading up to it. And it's good to see that we have a good contingent of visiting fans by the look of it too. The atmosphere is amicable, the conditions do bring out the best in everyone, and I think we're all looking forward to a feel-good game. The matchday noise at this place is truly special. The pride, the passion, it adds to a massive sense of occasion. It is a true heavyweight clash.
Well, in the normal circumstances, this is a massive matchup, and I'm not totally in agreement with the view that friendlies tend to take the edge away. In my experience, if the opposition go at it full tilt, then you have to reciprocate. We'd like to see excitement and be entertained, but if it does go down the serious route, there'll still be lots to enjoy.
And we're underway. Jim, who do you pick out as the telling individual today?
Well, someone whose career I've watched with real interest, Peter, is Ødegaard. Having seen him break through at such a young age and having so much pressure thrust on him, I really think that the time he spent outside Norway has done him a lot of good. And look how much he's...
And the shots! There's an early warning shot across the bow.
Arsenal just served up a reminder of how good they can be on the break. Their method is clear.
Arsenal with another corner. It's their second corner of the game. And it's hoisted clear. Havertz. And now a sudden chance to counter. Ødegaard. It's a goal kick. And here's Grealish. Oh, it's come loose. Now it's Kovacic. The ball is loose and the chase is on. Oh, that's a fine interception. Moved on forwards. Now the counter. Good spot, he's seen the run.
You can never be short of runners into space, as long as the space left behind.
He's had a shot! Ødegaard, looking for options for movement. Gabriel Jesus! Oh, terrific save from the keeper.
Gabriel Jesus sparked a tremendous stop there, and I think it's fair to add, he just wasn't expecting it.
Ake is there to heave it away. Zinchenko gives his colleague a guilty look. Oh, whistle's gone, that's a foul. Ødegaard. Trossard. And it's De Bruyne. That is a great... Can he finish? Oh, the ball's run loose here. Climbs up big. Well, he should have done better, and he knows it.
Kovacic did give it a fair old crack, and he'll be encouraged to step up again.
And he's had it nicked away. Referee's given a throw. He's through here. Oh, he's caught in or out. No, the referee's judged that the offence took place outside the area. And the potential here for the first goal of the game. Tries a shot! It's run loose, who's going to get there? Ødegaard.
Whatever happens, that's the kind of movement which raises hope. Well, not the worst attempt. A little technical tweak should help the quality.
Trossard. He's got the shot away! Now, who's going to be first to this? It's one! Goal! Arsenal!
Yeah, they've only got themselves to blame. Mistakes in those areas are very punishable.
Arsenal draw first blood here.
And that ought to be the trigger for a really exciting and entertaining game from here on.
Kovacic. Interesting ball. He's shifting through the gears here. And that is out of play. And he's managed to gift it back. And he's picked out the run. Havertz receives it in a... There's the hit! A great save, real class.
Well, what can I say? Truly wonderful goalkeeping.
And he's had a hit! Oh, that is rather wayward.
Look, it was achievable, Peter, but it needed his best. Yeah, that's top defending and preventing him turning, which can open up many possibilities.
Trossard. Rice is alert to the possibilities, but in the end it's fruitless. Ødegaard. Gabriel Jesus. Now it's Trossard. Ruben Dias.
They've been denied a chance to develop any rhythm in the passing department.
And it's lofted through here. Oh, well played. White. He's a sharp little ball here. Danger averted for now. Havertz gets his pass away. And the shot! Time and again they are repelled, looking for the runner, and it's the goalkeepers to claim. Well, that's well seen too. Threads one in, and he welcomes it in, and the assistant referee rightly gives him offside. Ødegaard has created one goal already. Gabriel Jesus. Good read, needed to be. Sends it forward. And there's the end of the first half. So the end of the first half, both teams have had their moments. There's been no shortage of talking points, but there has been just one goal, and that is the state of it at the break. 1-0. What do you think we're up to after 45 minutes?
Arsenal merit their advantage on the balance of play. They did most of the probing and got their reward, although they should have a bigger lead. Could come back to haunt them.
Arsenal leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break. And the game has already resumed here.
Well, it's been tight, Peter, but I'm expecting things to open up now and we get some free-flowing football.
And it's Grealish. Saka. Trossard. Oh, that was vital. Trossard. Zinchenko. Fiddles it through. Hammer. Decent hit! No, not quite. And again, they run up against stubborn defending. Rice. Well, that is one way to stop him. And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside. Oh, a delicate chip through. Trossard. Oh, well played. That has snuffed out the danger.
That's alert and sharp and very well played.
Havertz. Now who's going to be first to this? Oh, that's a nice ball. Oh, that's well spotted. Gabriel. Gently done. And he's straight offside. Walker has it in a wide position. Cleared without complication. Good spot, he's seen the run. Plays it in low. Chance! Oh, great low ball in.
Oh, how has that not ended up in the back of the net? It was a cracking ball in the way he drilled it across and kept it down too.
Gabriel Jesus gets flagged offside. And it's De Bruyne. Now it's Haaland. Well, that looks a foul. Yeah, referee's given it.
Yeah, and I think it's a lesson to be learned in not conceding free kicks in this area.
It certainly looks appetising, well within shooting range. And here's Grealish. Oh, shooting chance! He's done very well to get to that.
Grealish really must have felt he had the measure of the keeper then, but how wrong he was.
And he's there to clear it. It's loose, and there's a race for the ball.
Well, it's good stuff. This is better.
There is an irresistible, irrepressible look about them here.
Spot on, Peter.
Kovacic. Ake. So, Jim, what are you thinking?
There's a lot of football still to be played, Peter, so ideally they need to maintain an attacking endeavour.
Strong challenge, but well within the laws. Nicely intercepted. Kovacic. And it's Grealish. And here's De Bruyne. It's run loose here. Chance to break. Havertz, whose goal-scoring skills have already been evident. Havertz. Trossard shapes to shoot. Steps it away. And with that goal comes comfort.
Well, we've seen the hunger to win it back and the focus to make it count. A very tasty combination.
Things starting to look very comfortable. Ake. Out of play for a throw. And here's Grealish. Now it's Haaland. He's had a fair tumble under that challenge. Kovacic. De Bruyne. And he was alert to it. White gets rid without sophistication. Now they can break here. Trossard. Havertz. Now then, the ball's come loose. Look at the space here. play for a goal kick. Saka. Now Odegaard. Oh, good ball, shots on here. Odegaard. That's surely a foul, free kick. And it's Kovacic. Thinks one through. Alvarez. Turns and goes back. Here comes another cross. And the number on the board is 3. Rice. And it's played forward. Kovacic. Alvarez. Threads one in. Expertly cut out. Really nicely done. Haaland. Rice. And that will be the final act.